Welcome to Math Mantra. In today's class, we are going to discuss about circle and its basics of basic geometrical ideas. So, we're going to do exercise 4.6. So, in order to solve the exercise, we must know the basics of the circles. Introduction to the circle. So, all of us know what's a circle. So, let's learn what is a radius. The radius is a line segment that connects the center to a point on the circle. So when we see here, so there's a circle and this point is known to be center, and radius is a line segment which is joining the center and the point on the circle. So let us assume C is a point on the circle, and this line segment, it is joining the center with the point on the circle. So we can say OC line segment is a radius. Diameter. Diameter double the size of a radius. So AB segment is diameter. See here, this is double of the radius. See, from center to any point on the circle is known to be radius. So, from here to here it's radius, and from O to A is radius. But from A to B it is diameter. Okay, so always remember always the diameter, it will join two points on the circle through the center. This is very important point. So always the diameter, it passes through the center, and one more important concept about this diameter is it will divide the circle into two equal parts. Okay, so suppose I have diameter over here, you can observe two portions on both the sides. See, it will divide the circle into two equal parts, and always it will pass through the center. Okay, next, arc. An arc is a portion on a circle. We write it as PQ. See here. Here I just highlighted this part. Actually, see, from P to A also we can call it as arc. It is a portion on the circle. So for your better understanding, I just highlighted. Okay, so from P to Q, if we take this portion, this is called as arc. Arc, it's nothing but it's a portion on a circle. So we write it as PQ arc. The symbol is like this. Okay, it's not exactly line segment. It seems to be like curve shape. Okay, so next we see sector. So what is a sector? A region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc on one side and a pair of radii on the other two sides is called a sector. So here radii, what do you mean by radii? Actually we have radius, okay? The plural form of radius is radii. See, this is the portion. So one side arc, the portion enclosed by one side arc, two sides radii. Okay, so this portion is known to be sector. Okay, and it is interior of the circle. We have inside of the circle, no? So we used to say interior of the circle. So the interior portion of the circle enclosed by one arc one side and two radii other two sides. Okay, so it seems to be like triangular shape. Okay, and next one, chord. Chord connecting two points on a circle. So UV line segment is chord. See, chord, it will connect two points on the circle. So you can ask me, diameter also it will connect two points. Yes, the difference between chord and diameter is, see, chord can be drawn like this, but diameter always it will pass through the center and it will connect the two points, whereas the chord it will connect the two points on the circle. Okay, and you can say, see, from here to here, if I take diameter, diameter also known to be the longest chord. Okay, so here you can remember all the chords may not be passed through the center. Okay, but all the diameters will pass through the center. See here, one more thing you can say, all the diameters can be called as chord, but all the chords cannot be known to be diameter because all the chords will not pass through the centers. Okay, so if you remember these points, it will be useful in future. Next, segment. A region in the interior of a circle enclosed by a chord and an arc is called a segment of the circle. See here. Suppose I have a chord here. I drew a line from R to S, and here this is arc. Okay, I just shaded this portion in order to show you all. This is called as segment. Okay, so this is sector and here it is segment. Okay, so the segment, it is a portion enclosed by an arc and chord, and this shaded portion, it's nothing but a segment. Okay, then the distance around a circle is its circumference. See here, this I have given the thick color. Okay, so you can be able to see the dark green color over here. Okay, so this one, the distance around a circle is called as circumference. Okay, then a diameter of a circle divides it into two equal parts. So as we have discussed in previous slide, the diameter of a circle will divide a circle into two equal parts. So each part is known to be semicircle. Okay, so semicircle is half of a circle, obviously, no? Then, with the end points of diameter as part of the bound, see, the semicircle, it will be having two end points here. Okay, so what we have learned so far, we have seen what is radius, what is diameter, what is an arc, what is a sector, what is a segment. Okay, and we have seen what is a chord, and now we have seen what is a circumference, and like when diameter divides a circle into equal two parts, so what we are going to obtain, semicircle, and semicircle it will be having two end points. So all these things now we have seen. Okay, hope you understood. So please go through the video for better understanding. And if I would have made any mistakes, please forgive, and you can send your suggestions in comment box. Thank you. Please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel Math Mantra by Tipanagari Radha. Thank you.